Hi dears, welcome to our class. I think you have already studied everything that we had studied in the last classes, haven't you? Okay, what we told? We told about the old type of schooling and the modern way of schooling. Two different ways we already discussed. What can you understand from there? In olden times, the children loved the school because there are so many children. There were so many children. They came and sat together under a building called school. And they have one teacher. A man was there to teach them. The man will go to his own home and next day he will come to school and teach the students. But in our lesson, Maggie and Tommy, they have no such teacher. They have a mechanical teacher. So they hate school, especially the younger one, Margie, hated school. Schooling means study from her own room. A special room was there. And in that special room, e-book and all the modern equipments were there. And she studied from there. So when she heard about school and a teacher, she loved that one. She expected if she has such ability to study such schools, it will be very happy to play with the friends of the same age she can play. And during that time only, what happened? Mother called her to study. That is, she told it is time for her school. Without any interest, she decided to go to school. That means for her study room. That much we have already discussed. Do you have any doubt? If any doubt, you can clear now. Okay, I think all of you know that much. And we can move on to our next part. Margie went into the schoolroom. Till that much we told, Margie's mother called her, Margie, it is the time for school. So just come and study. So without any interest, what happened? She went to study. For you also it so happened when your mother or father called you to study or to do the homework. Sometimes somebody will go. Others what you will do? You will say, Mother, I will come later. I have to do something. I have to play little. Then I will come. So here Margie also decided to stay there, but her mother insisted her to go to the classroom and study. She went to the classroom. It was right next to her bedroom. And the mechanical teacher was on and waiting for her. It was always on at the same time every day except Saturday and Sunday, because her mother said little girls learn better if they learned at regular hours. So one thing you also should remember. From the school, we will adjust the timetable and each and every day you have to study. You are studying from school daily, you are coming to school and studying. Aren't you? Yeah. Why? What will happen if you study everything together or once in a week or once in a month? That will be very difficult for you. That is why we adjusted the time. According to the timetable only you are studying. Here also, Margie had Saturday and Sunday holidays. That day she won't go to her study room and study. That day she can play with her friends. And here mother told you have to study daily. Otherwise what will happen? The little girls learn better if they learn at regular hours. If she studies continuously only, she can do it better. Now also she had some problems in geography. Geography lesson was little tough for her because that is not suitable for her age. Then only the county inspector changed the lot and changed it, adjusted according to her mental age. And according to the mother, everybody, especially the small kids, have to study, learn better if they learn at regular hours. If they study continuously only, they will understand something. It will be always they can remember and revise it. The screen was lit up and it said, today's arithmetic lesson is on the addition of proper fractions. Please insert yesterday's homework in the proper slot. Yeah, that also is another problem. After keeping the slot only, what will happen? Today's lesson will get. If she keep the slot of yesterday's homework in that place, the slot in the place of that slot, she can proceed the lesson. Otherwise, she couldn't do anything. So the mechanical teacher told when she entered the room, when she entered her study room, the mechanical teacher told, today's lesson is on addition, mathematics. That is about addition and fraction. So what she has to do? She has to insert yesterday's homework in the proper slot. In that computer, there will be a special place mentioned to keep the homework. That slot, if she keep it there only, what will happen? Today's class will start. So that also became a problem. For you also, when the teacher asks whether you completed the homework, what will happen? If you completed it, no problem. Others with something irritation. Why the teacher is asking like this? Did you like to do the homework? Most of you. So here also what happened? Margie, the mechanical teacher asked Margie to keep her homework in the proper slot. Margie did so with a sigh, without any interest, with a deep, long and deep breath. What happened? She did it. The old schools they had when her grandfather was a little boy. All the kids from the whole neighborhood came, laughing and shouting in the schoolyard, sitting together in the schoolroom, going home together at the end of the day. They learned the same things, so they could help one another with the homework and talk about it. Yeah, that is one thing you should remember, children. Here, each and every children have to study separate. So, if there arise any problem of homework, they couldn't do any other thing. Why? Nobody is there to help. For example, if the teacher gives any problem to you for maths or any other thing, especially for the maths and all, you can discuss with your other friends. You can discuss from the home, you can discuss with the parents and all. When you reach the school, what will you do? If you didn't do the work, the friends will help you. But here nobody is there. While doing that work, she thought. What did she think? She thought the days the grandparents studied. All the children sat together, the same roof, and they discussed everything. If they didn't know anything, the others helped them. How beautiful it may be, isn't it? You imagine that. Which one do you prefer? Do you like to sit alone in your home and study, or do you like to go to school and study? I think most of you like to come to school, not only for studying but also to play with others also. Yeah, by keeping everything in mind, what happened to Margie? Margie felt very sad. Now she hated the school. More than that, she hated geography and homework, everything. And she got the one thing from the notes also she got that Tommy got the book, and in that book also it mentioned about the school, and Tommy explained everything to her. That is the school where a person came as a teacher and he taught something. Then after teaching the students, what will happen? The person will go to his own home. But here what happened? Margie's teacher will be always with her, because that is a mechanical teacher. The teacher will always stay in her own home. So whenever she has to study, she wanted to go to that room and study. So now while sitting in her study room, she thought about the old school. And the teachers were people. That is the amazing thing. Teachers means they are human beings. They are the people. The mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen. When we add fractions 1 by 2 and 1 by 4, Margie was not in that classroom. Her mind was in another world. Which world? She was in the old type of school. Imagining, she sat there and thinking. She thought that how they enjoyed, what the fun they had. Here, Margie was thinking about how the kids must have loved it in all the days. She was thinking about the fun they had. Now, Margie is thinking about the fun they had during which time now? Now she is thinking about the happiness of the children, happiness or fun of the children they had. Who? Margie and Tommy? No, the children of olden time. The children, those who came to school and spent their time with other friends. Now she thought about how enjoyable they may be, how they enjoyed from the school. So, dears, you think about that. Look at the text, last line. The fun they had. What is the name of our lesson? First, we told. What is it? The fun they had. Who is mentioned as they here? They means the children studied in olden days. So, here Isaac Asimov, he wrote the story thinking about future generation, not now. But situation made us to do like this only. Now you are facing the same thing. You are sitting in front of television or that mobile phone and studying online classes. So what may happen after 157 years or after next century, what is going to happen? You got a chance to watch it now itself. You got the golden opportunity to experience yourself it. Am I correct? Yeah. So according to me, I think you are very, very luckiest fellows. Why? You can feel the difference between the old type of schooling and the new type of schooling. And you have the experience of this one. No need to share it. No need to explain. You are experiencing it. Till last year you studied by coming to school, you sat with your friends, you enjoyed here. And now you are sitting alone from your home and studying. So while I teach this lesson, I could feel that you can very clearly understand the difference between old type of schooling and modern type of schooling. And there are a lot of facilities. And whatever it may be, there will be good and bad things. One good thing that you can say is that, what is it? According to me, you have the experience. Share to me. What is it? You got the experience to understand these two things. And another one thing, your parents can understand how you studied from school. Till these days, your parents, everything they made ready for you to go to school. And you came to school and studied from here. But now they got a chance to watch how their children are behaving, how their children are studying. They also got a golden opportunity to involve in the study of their children. So I think that is one plus point. Till these days they didn't get such a chance. They will come only for the meeting and all, they can understand something about that only. But now they got a golden opportunity to share their feelings also. They can understand how their children are behaving from the classroom. So dears, I think everybody understood here. Understood everything? So what you should do? You should read the lesson very carefully, and if you have any doubt, that we will clarify it. Anybody can summarize the lesson? Okay, here mainly saying about different types of schooling of now and that olden days. But you have the experience to share your both type of schooling, you got the experience. Shall I ask some questions? Okay. What are the main features of the mechanical teachers and the schoolroom that Margie and Tommy have in this story? In this story, two types of schooling mentioned. And what are the features of mechanical teachers? What is it? Margie and Tommy have mechanical teachers and they are computers. So, mechanical teachers put slots and they will give homework. They will be always with them. Can follow me? Okay. Why did Margie hate school? Why? The main thing is that she has to sit alone in that room. That is why. And another one is that according to their mental age was not that a geography lesson. So she was always worse and worse in geography lesson. So she faced so many problems. That is common to us also. If we didn't understand anything, we will face difficulties in that one only. Here, Margie also felt so. She hated school and that geography lesson also. So what happened? Always she became worse and worse in geography and she hated to go to school. Another one important thing is that after that she heard about the olden type of school and she thought that that will be better. Comparing the two types of schools, she felt the old type of school is better. One more thing that you should remember, that is the main thing that she hated school. So I think everybody understood this lesson, and once more you everybody should read this and clarify your doubt. Thank you.